Good morning. It's me, Crazy Rebecca, Dances with Pitbulls, and look at my carpet. I had to do it again this morning because there's still some spots and I ain't never gonna get them out, but I wanted to tell you what was going on. I'm not completely done. I'll never be done, but I have been moving my fabric. I still have that up there to go. I brought that blue table down. There was a pile of quilts there, but it went upstairs, and I thought it's time for me to show you what the heck is going on in this house. So, this is the hallway, which you're thinking, why is your stuff in the hallway? Because ain't nobody ever lived upstairs. I did not have room for a bookcase. So, whatever. But we're going to go up the stairs. Up the stairs. It's daylight. It's not scary. It's just yucky. Because I need to vacuum, but I don't want to. Okay, this is the apartment above me. There's my mannequin, but see, there's no carpet. That is padding. And this is the kitchen. I think the stove goes over there. But yeah, yuck. So, this has always been like this. Ever since I moved in. Not one thing has happened. You got things like this. You got things like this. This is where the thermostat goes. That's the doorbell. Now, the bathroom ain't real bad, but yeah, I guess it kind of is. Because, ew. But I should come up here and take a bath. Ouch. Step it out the back window. So, yeah. Ceiling fan needs cleaned, but here's what I did. I commandeered this closet. Because I can't put anything downstairs. Because it will mold. So I put stuff up here. These are my winter clothes. There's my blankets, my quilts and stuff. So here's another room. There was a leak over there. It leaked all down in my apartment. That's why they had to pull the carpet up. I just put these curtains up today. That is the rest of my paper crafting stuff. That's going to go downstairs. But here's where some of my fabric is. And some of it's over there. And that's my crazy quilt fabric. And that's the quilt I need to do. These are my steampunk clothes. And my steampunk gear. Yes. Look at this. I just got this one. Like, I don't even have nobody to dress up with. And I'm still buying stuff. Go figure. Go figure. Okay. So now, I keep the key here. This is disgusting. I need to just, why do I have to throw this stuff away? This is the upstairs. See, this is the spiral staircase going down. This is the abandoned apartment. Where Bo lived, Bo and Donna. And she left first and then he left. I gotta grab that key. Because we're gonna go down from the bottom. Go down stairs. Okay, there is a coffee pot up there. I've never looked up here. Oh, okay. That was the pantry. This is the closet with linens and stuff. I got what I wanted out of there. This is the bedroom. There's an elliptical and one of whatever that is. That's where I got that little blue table from. Clothes. Stuff. So, let us, oh wait a minute, what was that? I don't want that. Okay. Yeah. That has beeped ever since I've known them. Ever since I've lived in there, they've never changed the battery in it. So, this is the sort of their, this is their front door. And you go down like this. That's, there's two doors that lead to the front porch, but this is the other apartment. That is, it needs carpet. It needs, I don't know, cleaned. Ugh. I know that air conditioner does not work. It has this under the stairs, and it has this. And that's where I got my old typewriter from. And that does not work. I'm not sure about the refrigerator. It's the same size as mine. Stove. And the bathroom is disgusting. And the toilet don't work. Well, it needs fixed. So this is why, see, they won't fix anything. What the heck? Why is that like that? They don't want to fix anything. I don't know. Should they, like, offer it to somebody and let them fix it? Why is that leaking? That would be... Okay, that's just weird. So, do you see what I'm up against here? Okay, we're on the front porch. Thank God. Okay, you want to see my plants? How am I going to get these upstairs? I don't know. Not upstairs. Inside, and where am I going to put them? Oh my God, look how big that one is. This is a bird feeder, and I made it into a planter because the bird seed kept molding. That used to be on the back porch. These are awesome. That comes into the bedroom. That's going into the kitchen. These are going just in. Am I locked out? Nope. Okay. This cart's going back into the sewing room, but I'm going to take everything off of it and redo. I think the computer's going to sit on it. This thing is going to go upstairs. My music's coming back in. These books will go somewhere. That's journals. These are my games. And anyway, all this was filled with fabric, and I brought my paint. My paints are there. This is my embossing stuff, tags and stuff. I gotta find a better place for those. Yeah. So I'm still working. I'll be working all day, but I gotta get that carpet cleaner taken back to the grocery store. And now you know what I've been doing and what the rest of this dang house looks like and why they don't want to deal with it. So now you know the rest of the story.